Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error of your post cannot be shared to Instagram. So first of all, head over to your Instagram application. If you have been turning on the sharing to Facebook, you might go ahead and toggle it off. At times, some posts are and can only be shared to Instagram. So let's go ahead and turn off that setting for this one. And after you are done posting this or sharing this in Instagram, you can go back and turn it on again. So to turn off the Facebook sharing, tap three bar icon, tap Account Center, tap Connected Experiences. Then here tap on Sharing Across Profiles and make sure this Facebook is turned off. Now once you do so, try it and see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then this could be a technical glitch. Long tap onto your Instagram, tap on the eye icon. At this page, tap Storage and clear the cache. If you remember your Instagram credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data. So tap on Clear Data and clear your data. Now lastly, restart your device. Once done, launch your Instagram again. Try again and this will definitely fix the problem.